So same thing on example 6 as we did on example 5. We're looking for that interest earned. Again, on $1 million investment, a time value of 20 years. This time the compounding is only going to happen monthly instead of weekly, and we've changed the rate to 4.35%. So I'm going to go ahead and list a couple things. We know that our principal value is the million. We know that our time value is 20 years. We are going to convert our percentage, you guys. And so you can go over and convert that on your calculator. It is 0.0435. Trying to make that look more like a decimal. And then for compounding monthly, we're looking for how many times does monthly happen in a year, and the answer to that would be 12. So I'm going to go ahead and plug into my compound interest formula. Compound interest formula is going to be that principal balance, that principal amount times the quantity 1 plus my rate divided by n to the nt. And so I'm going to go ahead and squish in my principal of $1 million. Okay, times 1 plus my rate. You guys, you either converted that already on your calculator. So we are going to convert that, put that in decimal form is what I should say. 0.0435 is our top part of that fraction divided by the n value of 12. And that parentheses is getting raised to the 12 times 20. That's my exponent, 12 times 20. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in, just like it looks. $1 million times the quantity 1 plus 0.0435 divided by 12. And we're raising that to the 12 times 20. So we are taking a look at this. It looks like that's going to be $2,383,159. And if we're looking at the change, 0.016 is going to round up to 2 cents. 2,383,159. It took me too long to write that. I've forgotten already. 2,383,159 and 2 cents. Looks lovely. That's our account balance. So on questions 1 through 4, we were done. We plugged in, we found account balance at the end of whatever time length it was. But on this one, we want to find the interest. And so to find the interest, we're going to take the balance and subtract off that original principal. Original principal was an even million. You guys, I set this up specifically like this to keep it easy for you. You guys, so we've got that a balance and we're going to subtract $1 million. You can actually do that instead of retyping everything. You can do it right on the same line. Just subtract $1 million. Just make sure you're putting in 6 zeros. So we are getting a interest earned in the amount of $1,383,159.02 still. I'm going to call this I for interest on this one. It's 138315902. Okay, take that account balance, subtract your principal, and you get the interest earned over the 20 years.